We are proud to further expand our strong brake pads range. We now introduce brake disc and brake pads for European and American cars, all at the same competitive prices as used to. Hi, I'm Milou from Kavo Parts. We are the independent supplier of car parts delivering to almost 100 countries worldwide. Let me start with our strong brake pads. They are semi-metallic with stable friction compounds that deliver quiet and consistent stopping power. Our brake discs are also produced with care. Every step is closely watched. Thanks to precise manufacturing, the fit meets OE standards. Each product is tested before it leaves the factory. These give workshop what they need. After production, everything moves to our distribution center in the Netherlands. Looking for OE level brake parts at competitive prices? Contact us today. Good parts, good prices, that's Kavo.